Attention! Studies, get ready for morning prayer. Morning prayer begins.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा कर्म हो सेवा हमारा धर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा बसेवक जन बना देना वतन के वास्ते जीना वतन के वास्ते मरना वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया करना विद्या को हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्ति 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 मौन
Over. School, attention! Studies, attention! Studies. Please take your place position. Please.
Anushka, can you? Fusi has not come.
अनुष्का यू कैन प्रोसीड अनुष्का प्लेस करवा लीजिए
Okay, sir. India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind! School, attention! Studies, news.
Good morning to all of you. This is Alex Singh from class 8 and today I am here to present news. First of all, some international news. 6 killed including suspected shooter in UK city. Second, virus outbreak the latest. Now some national news. First, two gentlemen of BJP will lock down parliament if they have their way, says Chindambaram. Second, Maharashtra records 6,636 new COVID-19 cases, 5,861 recoveries. Thank you. Now I invite Madhu for some sports and weather news.
Good morning, everyone. I am Madhu, class 8, and now some information about sport news. 7th August to be named Javelin Throw Day to honor Neeraj Chopra August 10, 2021. Now some information about today's weather news. Today's maximum weather will be 32 degrees Celsius and today's minimum weather will be 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a good day.
Special item.
Good morning. This is Himanshu Kumar going to present in a special item aatmnirbhar Bharat. The word aatmnirbhar Bharat is a Hindi word. Its English meaning is self-renewable. Aatmnirbhar Bharat, our independent job. This is very good proverb given by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during the time of COVID-19 pandemic situation, as we all people are facing the problem of unemployment in our daily life. But in India, population are increasing rapidly and job are less. So there is only one way which we helpful for regarding this problem, which is independently. So we should follow the vision given by Prime Minister to celebrate 75 Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, the national anthem of India, which make every Indian chest wide, which with pride while singing it. The national anthem of India, which make you stand up to the those when singing it. The same national anthem will be sung by so many people this time. That a new record can be made for this. The government has given a platform where you can record and send the national anthem. This is the platform Rashtragan in website where we have to record the national anthem. After the launch of the website, people have a standard recording their videos on it. Now, here the question comes, what is its purpose? Its purpose is to remember those moments of pride which are crossing with the history of Indians' independence. Along with this, it also national anthem in a digital way in maximum number of. Similarly, this time whatever video will be recorded, they will be displayed at the red fort and the airport. That is why the government has put the program of the national anthem in front of people of the country. The Atmanirbhar Bharat also teach the to become boss of in your life, not take command, but give command and be powerful. Thank you and have a nice day.
School. Attention. Standing tees. Attention. Standing tees. Get ready for national anthem. National anthem. Begin.
Janet.
Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Bharat Mata ki. Thanks to all of you. Morning assembly dispersed.